Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good afternoon, y'all. So today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, y'all. Sorry, y'all. Please excuse my little head wrap ladies edges. I forgot to stretch this one. Oh my goodness. I gotta find me a hair tie. Y'all, I just been stretching my hair and forgot. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I had to loosen this up because baby, I felt like my brains was finna pop out. So I'm getting ready to go to Orlando with the fam. This is the first time we've done Christmas out of town, I think. I don't remember us ever doing Christmas out of town, so this should be fun. We're just getting a vacation home in Orlando, Kissimmee area like we usually do. I don't know why my parents enjoy it so much. Like, I honestly think my parents are that age to where they just enjoy not being in their home. Like, they enjoy, you know, traveling to another home to enjoy the home. So hopefully this is a great home. So I'm gonna do like a quick, you know, house tour as soon as we get there. So yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna take us some little Christmas pictures. We're gonna play games. I don't have to drive, so your girl is feeling on 1000. So currently I'm waiting on them to give me the head to my brother's house so I can hop in the truck with them and we can get on the road. Check-in isn't until 4 o'clock and it's currently 2. I'm saying until, well, I'm not gonna even tell y'all what time we were supposed to leave, but I'm just gonna say we were supposed to leave a good little bit ago and it is currently 2:15. So our time to leave has way passed. So as soon as I get a call from them, hop in the car and head to my brother so we can get on the road and go. Like I said, your girl don't have to drive, so I feel great. I'm gonna have a nice ride. Be on TikTok, listen to me some music, take me a little nap, a little nappy nap. Preferably we don't get into any traffic, and just praying for, you know, safe travels. Anybody that's out there traveling for the holiday season, please declare that there are no freak accidents, that there are no drunk drivers, under the influence drivers. Just pray for protection and just command that this holiday season will be a safe and blessed one, because so much has been happening just to the holidays, and I have been so grateful to not have anything like that tragic happen in my family, and I'm decreeing and declaring that it won't happen to you watching either, and to, you know, everybody in the world, because it's holiday season, like, you know. So today's fit, we doing something real simple, real comfortable. I got on my Nike leggings and the green apple got up my feelings in my Bible hoodie. I mean, why not? It's Christmas. So I can't wait for y'all to see these edges when I take this thing off. I hope my edges look good, because y'all, last night, if y'all follow me on Instagram, last night, y'all, my edges, me and Bae had a little date night. My edges was slick, okay? My edges was slick, like Slick Rick, okay? And literally the rest of my hair, as y'all can see, we rocking natural. You know, I'm just trying to stretch it, give her a little length, but we were rocking 2 natural puffs back here. So it was like Slick Rick, and then just waves of curls, and just, it looked crazy to me. My boyfriend said I still look good, but y'all know how we are girls. Y'all know how we just, I feel like if your edge is slick, your hair should be slick. If your hair is like curly and stuff, then your edges should go along with your hair. And I didn't feel like that's what happened last night. I feel like I look like I tattooed my edges on. Now for the girls of you that do that, it's okay, that's what you do, but that's not what I do, and that's what I felt like I look like. So anyways, yeah, so you guys are definitely going to be coming on for the ride. As y'all can see, I have not been consistent with Vlogmas. Don't come for me, come for your mama. But we're going to be consistent for the next 3 days. Well, how long? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We leave on Monday. So from today until Sunday, y'all gonna get some consistent vlogs. And then probably next week, leading up to New Year's. I might just do like a weekly vlog, or y'all might not see me until 2022, so we're gonna see. But I'm definitely gonna give y'all, you know, some vlogs up until Christmas, which is Saturday. That's crazy, mind blown. So yeah, currently what I'm doing while I'm waiting is just making sure I got everything together. If y'all don't know, make sure y'all head to bondwatchco.com. that is my boyfriend's watch company, and he is having a Christmas sale right now. All his watches are 30% off, and so I've been helping him with his marketing and stuff. So yeah, I've been helping him with his marketing and stuff, and he just started a TikTok, so make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. It's bondwatchco. And then follow him on TikTok too, which is at bondwatchco as well. So we gotta get you some light. Say hey, Jay. Say hey, Nat.
Hey. Hi there.
Jay, you look crazy. You look scary right now. So y'all, we made it. Jay don't want to be bothered, and that's okay, cause I don't want hair all over me. We made it, well, I made it to my brother's house. We waiting on the people that was supposed to be ready 2 hours ago, and they still ain't ready, and we still ain't left yet. So we still waiting.
See, what happened was I fell asleep.
But you was ready.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh. Yeah.
I could have fell asleep. I could have took it out, because I've been ready. But anyways, waiting on them. So y'all gonna see the rest of the fam. And now y'all, we really, did you finish it? Oh, you did. It's just so thick. Y'all, both of us cut our hair. Well, she cut her hair like years ago, and y'all know I just cut my hair.
Miss Isis cut it again.
Oh, she did. And y'all know
it grew back, and then yeah.
How I keep telling y'all I gotta cut my hair again because it's so uneven. But our growth, honey, y'all see these puffs? These puffs.
My hair is looking like it was like yours when you had your hair. When I first seen your hair.
It is. It really is. Yeah, y'all, I really didn't want to wear my hair like this for Christmas, but I didn't set no appointment, and I didn't want to do it myself. So guess what? We got this little middle part that's not even in the middle, but it's a style, and it's gonna do what it need to do for this weekend. So y'all, as soon as we get in the car and get rolling,
it's the neck for me.
One day we'll leave eventually, y'all. We will leave eventually. Hopefully we still got some sunlight. So we gotta get you in the light, girl. Say hey. Say hi. You're not gonna say hey? Say hey. Maddie got her little suitcase, y'all. She is ready to go. I like your hair, girl. It's pretty.
Hi. How are you?
Hello. Hi. Betty is not showing us no love. Oh, this is what the light is, y'all.
Hi.
Mark,
you never seen her camera? Hi, still can't really see me.
I'm dark. I need flash. I'm dark.
We can't see either
no,
one
it's
of us.
just the sun. The sun.
Yeah.
You can
Okay.
go back over here, Mom. But tilt.
I'm telling
tilt to the
you.
side. I'm saying tilt your head.
Oh my God. Oh. Let me see. Maybe we get in a different.
It'll probably be better once we get on the espresso.
Oh, there he is. Okay, I see him over there. All right.
Oh,
Road trip.
Oh. Ooh, y'all. Lighting is not hitting. Okay. Lighting is not really hitting like it's supposed to, y'all. We in the truck, me and Maddie. Everybody else went inside to Buc-ee's. I've actually never been inside, so, but I gotta stay in the car with a little bit. I didn't have to, but I didn't. Kind of do have to pee, but it's okay. I can hold it. So yeah, so we are still about a good hour and a half from our destination, y'all. This traffic has been on and off. Like, this traffic is no joke, but that's what happens when you're supposed to leave at 12 o'clock and you don't leave until 3 o'clock. So yeah, we've been in traffic on and off. It's currently 6 o'clock, and like I said, we still got a good hour and 30 minutes before we get to where we're going. So yeah, sis over here been asleep. That's why she looking crazy. Do y'all see the sunset in the background? Like, Y'all see the line? Where's that? It's over here. Y'all see that? Like how it's blue and the orange? The sunset. I should have took a picture of the sunset earlier, y'all. It was gorgeous. I should have brought some hair to put back here on these little puff balls because the edges are laid, but the rest of my hair is just really wavy. So I'm about to make sure she's not wet. Y'all, she is not feeling it. Like I said, she was asleep. So just a quick update, y'all. My dad drives so slow. Like, I know the traffic been on and off, but it's like when it's not traffic, he's still going like 75. So yeah, we'll get there sooner or later. It'll probably be about 8 o'clock before we get there. So we'll get there eventually, y'all. So I will see y'all. I probably won't pull out the camera again until we get there. Y'all, I'm just ready to get there now. Ready to get there. Okay, y'all, so we just got to the house and it is currently 8:16. I have to pee and it was kind of a mess trying to get in here, so I'm just give y'all a quick house tour before everybody get in here. So first we have the dining room area. I'm not gonna lie, this house is kind of outdated. It's not very like modern, but that's okay. So as soon as you walk in here, we got, you know, whatever this is right here, a little, you know, walk-in area. And then over here we have 2 kids walking in from the back. And then as you come into the open area, we have the staircase.
Always.
We got staircase over here. Pretty sure that's where the bedrooms are. Right here, we have living room, TV, pool right here. Pool. We gonna go out there later. Over here we got hot top. Kitchen, bar area, dining room. I mean, this is like the kitchen. No, this is dining. No, that's dining room.
This is dining room. That's kitchen.
Kitchen. We have our kitchen. As you guys can see, like I said. Oh, we got a nice little stainless steel dishwasher. A white refrigerator.
And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator, girl.
But yes, we got a white refrigerator. It's not
empty.
Giving vacation home. It's giving.
Okay, let me stop.
We got a mirror. Say hey. Hey to the mirror. Oh, it's so dark, but that's okay. Okay, little Marilyn Monroe bathroom. Okay. Looks like we have a bedroom. Oh yeah, this is probably master. Oh, look at these sheets, honey. That is not it. Master bath. Okay, tub. Come on, tub. Sadly, this isn't my room. This is my parents' room. So, this is very low. Abnormally low. But lighting is good in here, honey. Okay, and it's 2 sinks, so it's like a little double sink area. All right, moving on to the next room.
Upstairs. Oh, all these steps.
Ooh, so, we got another bedroom over here. I heard
We're
her.
coming.
Then we got another bathroom over here. Let me take you, let me guide you, because y'all right here, lamp, only bedroom. Yeah, this is not gonna be my room. All right.
Oh. 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 I'm sorry.
Another lamp room. These rooms are very small. Look at the TV. Ooh. Ooh, shit.
Yes.
Oh my God. And then right here is the last and final bedroom, which will probably be
Lamp, 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 lamp.
I'm not even turn. Y'all, I'm over it. I'm over it. Look who's with us.
Hey. What, you was crying? Let me see. No? Okay, never mind.
So yeah, I'm gonna come in here. All right, y'all. That is a wrap for today's video. It's been a lot just trying to figure this house out, and next time the person that picked the house never mind, I'm not gonna say that. So yeah, We still are trying to figure out the Wi-Fi. Water is not getting hot. TVs are a little iffy. Like I said, very nice house. Furniture just really needs to be updated, and just, you know, just a few tweaks, honestly. And I guess because me and my family have done like at least, this is probably our, well, I'm gonna say just Orlando vacation homes in general. This is probably my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is probably like my fifth like Orlando vacation home, and maybe have even done some before this, but I'm thinking like fifth. And honestly, I ain't gonna lie, this has been the worst in regards to just everything as a whole. Prayerfully we can figure this stuff out tomorrow, because it's not gonna be a fun weekend if, you know, we got to deal with all this stuff. So hate that my dad paid his money, but like I said, hopefully we can figure some of this stuff out, and, you know, maybe talk to the property managers. That's a wrap, y'all. I'm about to go to sleep. That ride just kind of drained all of the energy out of me. I was over it. I was so ready to get here. What was a 2.5 hour trip turned into like a 4 or 5 hour trip, and it was just really unnecessary. So hopefully on the way back it's not as slow. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all tomorrow for Christmas Eve. Good afternoon, y'all. Today is Christmas Eve, and like I said, good afternoon, because I have not picked up this camera all morning. I've been up since like 9:30ish. Well, really like 8 something, but I went back to sleep. So my mom is at the mall doing some last minute Christmas shopping. She asked me if I wanted to go, and I was like, I really ain't feeling it. I'm supposed to be making a cake, which I still have to go to the grocery store and get the stuff to make the cake. So we gonna see if that happens tonight or not, but we gonna see. So currently me and Nat are doing this puzzle that is 1,500 pieces. I tried to get it to focus before you looked up here. It wouldn't focus. Say hi. Okay, y'all. So yeah, Nat is down there. We got Maddie over here asleep. She finally went to sleep, y'all. She was fighting it. She was fighting it all morning. Sis finally went to sleep. My dad is outside. And London is still nowhere to be found. It's 1:38. Still, nobody has seen London all day. But that's just what London does. She doesn't wake up until about, I give her about 20 minutes. She'll probably be up. So yeah. So y'all, we working on this puzzle that I'm about to show y'all. We are actually doing pretty good. I kind of started working on it probably like an hour ago by myself, and then Nat came down here to help. So y'all, this is how much we got. Okay, this is what we looking like, y'all. We got the perimeter, well, almost, y'all. We are missing one freaking piece. Well, 2. We're missing 2 perimeter pieces, and
I think there's 2.
I think it's only 1, because this is Walt. That's the W and that's the A. So I think it's only 1 piece. Yeah, and I can tell that this is only 1 piece too. But y'all, this is what it's supposed to look like once we finish. So y'all, this is what it's supposed to look like once we finish. And 1,500 pieces. So yeah, you know, we're just gonna see how much we get done. We'll probably keep working until my mom gets back, or until her dad gets here, slash my brother, slash the rest of my nieces and nephews. Niece and nephew. I said it like three more of y'all was coming. So we probably finna just work on this for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get a little snack and chill out until I need to go to the store. I really would order the stuff that I need and do Instacart, but I got a feeling Instacart gonna be taxing. Ooh, it's so dark. Yeah, I got a feeling that Instacart is going to be a whole lot more expensive than me going into the store. And I didn't drive, y'all, so currently we have 1 car. So yeah, I gotta wait till my mom gets back anyway before I can do anything. So yeah, that's a quick little update. I will update y'all later. Come on now.
I'm out of shit. Alright, what which
Hi, beautiful.
She got a cream cheese out there.
Hi, beautiful.
Oh, I gotta get a peas.
I'm sorry.
All right, y'all. It's family game night. I don't want to play, but they making me play.
That's what Grandma said.
So,
Turn.
game number 1 is. I think that got left there. Game number 1 is categories. Why you just be looking? You just be staring. How do you sit like that, Lennon? Show the people how to sit like that. Okay, what's first? 1. Uh-huh. Okay, I want to try that. Okay, y'all, I'm going to try to sit like Lennon. Wait, I got to take my shoes off. Okay, what leg is that? That's your left leg? Okay. Yep. Good, Jesus. I'm sitting like London.
I don't know how she do that.
You're doing it wrong.
Watch, if I do it, my knee gonna be down here.
No, her foot is like on her knee.
Her foot is on her knee.
Yeah, you can't do
Well,
it.
really like on her thigh.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah, look, she gotta pull it. London ain't gotta pull them up. London just plop.
Let's see if friends can do it. I
can't do
suck.
it. My
I
dog
am
gonna let me
trash. Y'all, this was trash. Okay. This was trash.
Let's see, a girl's name, Wendy.
So now it's 2 minutes.
Wendy's name.
9 cooking ingredients.
Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Look at my fingers. What's up, y'all? Merry Christmas. It's Christmas, y'all. We finally made it. Please excuse my red lipstick because I messed it all up. And I'm not taking it off to do it again. So, just know you won't be able to tell in the pictures. And that's all that matters. So, currently, we getting ready to take Christmas pictures. In my Christmas pajama t-shirt that don't match my leggings. I mean, it kind of match, but it kind of don't match. Let's go to the other camera. This is the shirt. Let's go in here. This is the shirt. This is the leggings. So I'm matching, but I'm not really matching. You know what I mean? But I really like this shirt. All right. So, like I said, we're gonna take Christmas pictures, and I just finished making dessert. I made cheesecake, y'all. I was supposed to make a red velvet cheesecake, like 3 layers, but that didn't happen because we went to the store last minute and I just wasn't feeling it no more. So I ended up making 2 cheesecakes with the amount of ingredients that I had. So that's what we having for dessert. I hope it tastes good because I really didn't know what I was doing. Oh, and update, y'all. I forgot to update y'all. So we ended up getting a whole new house. I'm gonna give y'all a house tour later. We ended up getting a whole new house, y'all, because they had us in a trap house and we didn't have no Wi-Fi. We didn't have no hot water. We didn't have, the TVs wasn't working. It was a lot. So this house still doesn't have TV, but this house does have Wi-Fi and it does have hot water. Oh, and the pool at this house is not clean and it's not heated. So we're going to use the pool at the other house, but we're going to sleep and eat and, you know, shower and stuff at this house. So we have access to 2 houses. So that's kind of lit. So I'm going to give y'all a house tour later. But for now, let's go downstairs.
I'm not throwing at me, bro.
Hi. Hi. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that's what I said about her Christmas. Oh, Jesus. I'm not done though, so just to tell you, girls, I couldn't find everything in the house situation. I just got turned off really, and I was going to come back. So, and good thing I did come back when I did because I didn't have to. We just did very good food.
Lace is trying to get out, y'all.
They not listening to me. So I'm trying to tell you everything that you know. This. Wash the shirt wet. Dry your body when you take a shower. Get it done.
That's in here we're going to use. And there's Monet. Monet and her Christmas sweet. I don't know why I'm turning the camera that way. Ooh, Monet is not having it. She is not having it this morning.
Oh, baby.
Whoa.
Okay.
She right there.
Oh, she got it.
That's right, Mace. Mace is walking.
Oh, you asked me? Yeah.
Get out of there.
You teacher? Yeah. I'm trying to ask you, but watch what's out on the phone. Now I'm learning where to put this thing. That's Maddie's right there, Francis. You can put her. Right
Should have
there.
got my tripod.
You know what? Let her tear this open right here. Because she already seen it.
Okay, that's what we doing.
Pull your pants up.
All right.
Why you got it on your feet?
Right. Yep. You open it again.
Yeah, leave, honey.
Kiki, you got.
Open her again.
Open it, Maddie. Open it.
You got Ted open. You got Ted open. You got Ted open.
Because that's
Come
what
on.
makes it open.
For real.
There you go. That's Madison.
That's your box. And you know.
That's Madison. Yeah. Say thank you.
That's what hurt you growing to it.
Say thank you.
Hey, hello.
There you go.
Is all of this for the same person? Because you don't have no names on this. Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Real deal guitar.
They have an instrument.
So you ain't want no piano that we already got?
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh, playing by himself. Man,
Yeah. That's
that's
what's
nice.
Reppin' Bond Watch Company.
up. Thank you, baby.
Matching you, because I know that. Make sure you peace and joy. Make sure you peace and joy.
Look, only you.
You guys, are we carrying?
Only, right.
You are.
Only she sure is.
She a dime.
She sure is.
But see, I could, but I wouldn't need everybody's cash.
Hey, can you give me a cash?
Everybody's card doesn't say that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh.
Well, me and her daddy says, wishing you peace and joy. May your holidays be filled with peace, love, and happiness, and may your new year bring you every joy. Then she writes in the card, there may not be anything in this card, but the person who wrote it is worth more than the world.
Love you, Nakia. Yeah. What is it? Oh, it's a calendar. Yes. Yes.
I say y'all got jokes. But
Stop. Clearly I can't get it out. You stop, baby.
Take me out to dinner. Ping pong.
Report everybody, Mom. I'm trying to up your skill. So we're at the house for Christmas in Kissimmee. We're at our first home, and Francis.
Take me out to dinner.
Sup,
Wait, no.
babe.
What do you want to tell? I'm gonna say, what do you want to tell Joe Byron right now? And then you say, look. Come on, chocolate guy.
I need somebody to teach her how to. Because you know London was thug baby anyway, so.
You got to never say, you still have girlfriends because girls are
Cause girls what? Good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday, day after Christmas, and we don't leave until tomorrow. Checkout time is at 10, so today is our last full day here in our two homes. Still got to give y'all a quick little house tour. This house looks crazy. I should have gave y'all a house tour when me and my dad was first over here. Because the house looks crazy right now with, you know, everybody's stuff, just all the kids, their toys, X, Y, and Z. So getting ready to eat breakfast. I kind of already ate, but everybody else is kind of getting ready to eat. Then we're gonna go over to the other house to get in the pool. Y'all, we didn't finish our puzzle, so I gotta get back to the other house to work on the puzzle because we didn't want to move it and mess it up. But we gotta finish this puzzle today because anybody got time to be working on the puzzle tomorrow. So we gotta finish the puzzle today. Gonna get in the pool, probably do some more TikToks and stuff, and just have fun and enjoy the family. I didn't really, you know, yesterday it was a lot going on, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really, like, I pulled out the camera a little bit, but I didn't really record like I wanted to. So probably get some more footage. But I did want to say, you know, Merry Christmas. First of all, happy birthday, Jesus, even though his birthday isn't on Christmas, but the reason for the season is the birth of Jesus, and I just so grateful, so thankful for him, because if it wasn't for him, baby, I would not be right here recording this video for y'all. I pray that everybody had a wonderful Christmas yesterday, regardless if you were by yourself, with your family, with your boo, with your friends. I know a lot of people are getting sick around this time, so I just pray healing over you all, and that you guys stay safe and just enjoy your loved ones. We're getting to we are at the end of the year, where, you know, a lot of people are depressed around this year. A lot of suicides happen around this time of the year, so I just pray peace, healing. I pray joy over you. I pray that any negative thoughts that you are thinking, I command them to go in Jesus' name, and that you enjoy the rest of your year, no matter what 2021 brought to you. I just pray that you let go of all of that and just look forward, look at it as a new day. You still got breath in your lungs. If you still living, you still have a purpose on this earth, and God still has a plan for you. I'm sorry, y'all, I think I got mascara in my eye. So yeah, so that's the plan for today. Oh, let me show y'all what my mommy got me. What my mommy got me for Christmas. Even though, y'all, my mama get me stuff all throughout the year. So when Christmas comes, I really don't be expecting nothing, because I'm like, sis, you done got me stuff all throughout the year. So she got me this purse. Oh, isn't she so cute? Oh my goodness, she is adorable. Hold on, let me let it focus. So cute, y'all. So DKNY, and I didn't even pull out the long strap, so we got this whole long strap, so I can do it as like a crossbody, or I can just hold a little handle like this. I love purses like this, so I'm probably just gonna wear the little handle because I can take this off, but whenever I need to, I'll wear the long one. And then she also got me this little phone wallet crossbody bag. It's perfect for my camera because I don't have a camera bag, y'all. So this is perfect for me to use for my camera, my wallet, my phone. You know, when I go on little trips, when I go to games and whatnot, this is perfect. This is perfect. And then last thing is, y'all, she got me some ass because my mama got me some ass. She got me, so I had a mask that looked exactly like this, and I had a mask that looked exactly like this, and I gave this one to my niece, and then this one I lost. So it's perfect because my dance team's colors are red and black, so it's like when we have games and stuff, you know, get ready, well, just anything, when we travel, have games, performances, and you know, I get all cute and I don't want to put them on one of them little ugly hospital mask. I can put on one of my little cute masks. So those are just a few of the gifts. She talking about this not everything, but I'm like, child, I don't need nothing else. So yeah, that's it for now, and I will see y'all later. All right, y'all, so it's me, Big Matt, Big London, Big Auntie Kiki, and we decided, y'all, the rest of the fam is at the house chilling. They at the first house, well, the second house, well, they at house number 2. I just want to show y'all these beautiful homes while we walking, y'all. Now, a lot of these houses have, y'all see how it's like one house in the front and another house in the back. So the front house is kind of considered the mother-in-law suite. Well, really the guest suite. So like if you have guests that want to stay over, they got like their own little kitchen. This is a nice house right here. That's pretty big. See, here's another one, y'all. See, that's the main house, and then that's the guest house. And the guest house is upstairs, and then you got the garage on the bottom floor. I wouldn't want my house to be like that because, number one, I don't want my guests to be staying in front of me. I want my guests to be staying behind me. If y'all were to get an Airbnb, where would you get the Airbnb? How big would your Airbnb be? Like, would your Airbnb be? How big would your Airbnb be? Would you have like a really big Airbnb for like a party house or like a big family? Or would you do like a single family home Airbnb where you just have like maybe 3 to 4 people staying in the house? Or would you do like a really big Airbnb with a lot of people? Yeah. Oh, here it is, y'all. This is a 3-story house. Jeez, that's a big one. All the way over there, they look like little ants from this camera. And in the very back, that really tall building, that is a resort. Yes. And then those all the way over there too, those are like resorts as well. But you see all the golf carts? People are out here golfing. Oh, y'all, I am in love with this house. We pass by this one every day to get to ours, and this one is so pretty. There's a pool back there. And just look at this color. It's the color for me, honestly. I really like this color. It's like a teal with like the yellow accent. And the mirror doors, jeez. At night you can see on the inside. So I guess they're like reflective. So during the day you can't see. So we're gonna turn down Radiant. All right, y'all, we made it to the pool. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Hey, why you look like you're tired? So yeah, we gonna chill at the pool until rest of the family gets here. And we gotta work on our puzzle, y'all. Like I said earlier, this is our last day to finish this puzzle. And we got a lot of work to do. So we gonna need all hands on deck to finish this puzzle, because we are finishing this puzzle before we leave, right?
Right. Right.
No, see, no enthusiasm, no. They're not ready, y'all. We finishing this puzzle. I'm not playing with them. We finishing this puzzle. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all. We are no longer in the pool. I'm back to trying to work on my puzzle. And y'all, they quit on me. They quit on me, y'all. This how much we got done. This puzzle is a lot, y'all. This puzzle is definitely one of those puzzles that takes days to do. But we kind of got, see, like we got like pieces here and there. You know. But unless we get a crew in here, us 3 are definitely not going to finish this puzzle. Update, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It is Monday, and as y'all can see, my hair looking crazy. Today is our last day here. Well, ain't even last day, y'all. We get ready to leave. So I'm currently doing this crazy hair, y'all. I didn't even do my hair yesterday, so that's why she's looking extra crazy today. But yeah, y'all, our time is up. I had a good time. I definitely feel like this was one of those trips that we had a lot of unexpected stuff happen with the whole house situation. The last minute shopping for Christmas dinner. It was a lot. It was a lot, but we had a good time, enjoyed the family, and now it's time to get back home and get back to work. Prayerfully, we don't have a lot of traffic because hopefully most of the people went home yesterday, you know, because yesterday was Sunday, Christmas was Saturday, so today's Monday, so hopefully we don't get into a lot of traffic and it doesn't take us 4 freaking hours to get home. That was ridiculous, y'all. The ride here was ridiculous. So yeah, I just want to give y'all a quick little update. What are you looking like?